Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Crypto Lifestyle YouTube channel where I show you my crypto and DeFi degen journey. This is Paul, and in today's episode we will do an update on BitForge.finance. There are some things to talk about. First of all, we have a new design, a new logo, which I like very much. I think it might make a difference. We also have reached 385k TVL. So if you want to know more, make sure to watch the whole video. Alright guys, we are back, and as usual, before we move forward, remember, none of this is a financial advice. I am not here to tell you what to do. I'm just a typical YouTuber. I'm showing you what I'm doing, my opinions, etc. So before you do anything, before you invest in any project, make sure to do your own research, never invest too much, and always spread the risk across many platforms. This is how I do it. Alright guys, so we are now at 385,000 USD total deposit. It's from two contracts, USDT and USDT contract altogether, right? The total revenue, so the money that were claimed are up to 109 USD, and the total withdrawal is 27,000. I guess this is from referral rewards. I'm not sure, but maybe. We have 838 deposits, so we are growing. All right, as you can see, they did a complete new design, new colors, new logo. In my opinion, it looks better, and you can see the deposits here. This is how they did it, so that looks pretty good, I guess. Let's do a withdrawal to show you that it still works. Of course, I will be only claiming some of my mining revenue. I am able to claim my deposit at the end of the term. Right now, for my deposit, I am still 15 days until the end, and then I will be able to take back my initial deposit, and I can still claim my mining revenue every day. So let's see if it still works, if it's paying instantly. Look here, it should change. I'm usually not claiming it every day, I'm just doing it to show you that it pays, okay? Withdraw successful, and you can see it in my available balance. So everything is alright. Okay, not this. If you go to Twitter, which I strongly suggest, you will find out that they have done another audit. There is a company called Security Lab, which deals with cybersecurity, and they have been audited and secured by this company as well. Okay, so they claim that they are one of the industrial leaders. Okay, also, if you look for the new videos about the BitForge, we have Fat Farm video, very influential channel. So that's good for the company, of course. This was an AMA. Controversial, but you can watch it. It's good. So there are many new videos popping up. Just check it out. They are doing a lot of marketing, which I like because it's needed. It's just needed. There will be, I guess, from this graphic here, a cashback opportunity starting today. If you deposit 200 or more, you will get a 6% cashback. Okay, so that's what you can do as well. So be sure to just visit BitForge from time to time. There might be some airdrops here, competitions like giveaways, so it's good to always check it out. If you want to know more about the whole ecosystem, about the whole project, you can read the white paper. There's a lot of information here, also about the KYC they did with the security and the audit, etc. There's also a second one audit by the stamp. So you can read that out as well. This is the information about their data center, the Bitcoin mining center in Ethiopia. Okay, so we can read about it as well. because they are claiming the revenue comes from Bitcoin mining. Okay, so you can read about it to get to know, see the photographs. Also, you can go here. I will include the link in the description of this video to check out if the numbers are really there. So we have 53 days since the launch and we are still going, and you can see all the numbers here. It's good to check it out. Also, I have shown you this video on my last video, but this is the video from their Bitcoin mining center. Just it's up to you to make your own judgment. This is what I was provided with to show you that they are really there, right? So that's what you should take into consideration before you make any moves here. I think this is developing quite nicely. Second money in. If I am able to do 2 cycles here, I would treat it as a very good project. Of course, I don't know how long it can work. Maybe for a few months. So that's my opinions. That's what I think. Of course, you need to make your own research. It's of course risky because you can earn a lot. As you can see, I have only done small deposits and I'm earning pretty nice. So thank you for watching, guys. Give me a like. It will help me to grow this channel, and also more people will be able to see this video. For now, thank you and see you soon on my next video.